Hi everyone. So today in this video I will tell you how to download the code blocks for your operating system. Mine is Windows 10. So I wrote code blocks for Windows 10 on the Google search engine. Then click on the first link provided to you from the codeblocks.org. It will lead you to their official site. Then click any one of these options in the download section. Binary release, nightly build or the source code. Then select the download link provided in this page. I have clicked on the sourceforge.net. Then the download will be automatically started. Mine has already been downloaded. So I will start the setup now. I will installing the code blocks in my PC. Next, yes. See, it is very easy to install this and also to code. So I will also provide you many videos in the upcoming weeks. Now by clicking the yes, the application will be started now. Now if you want to start writing code, then click on the create new project and select your preferred language. I will write the code in the next videos. Thank you everyone for watching the video.